In this walkthrough, we add a new remote office to Endpoint Central. We begin at the console sign-in page and authenticate with an administrator account to reach the management dashboard. Once we are inside, we move to the Agent tab and select Remote Offices from the Scope of Management menu. We click Add Remote Office to open the configuration form. First, we give the office a clear name and a short description so it is easy to identify later. The central server address and ports below are populated automatically and need no changes. Next, we choose to communicate through a distribution server. Before entering the domain NetBIOS name, let us see how to get it from the system. Open Command Prompt and run this command. The value shown next to domain is the domain NetBIOS name. We supply the workgroup, the host computer, and the IP address agents will reach. A replication policy controls how often the distribution server pulls patches in software from the central server. We create a new policy, set the schedule and transfer rate, and save it. The new policy is then selected for this remote office. To reach the remote machine, the console needs a credential it can use to log in. We open the Add Credential dialog and switch the type to Workgroup, since this machine is not part of a domain. We give the credential a recognizable name, enter the workgroup it belongs to, and provide an administrator username and password. Saving the dialog returns us to the form, with the new credential already selected for the remote office. With everything in place, we click Add to submit the configuration. A success message confirms the remote office has been added.